Hey guys, today we're gonna make our Mississippi mudslide shake, and I'm super excited about this one because we all love chocolate around here, and if it's got a little bit of caramel in it, that's even better. So that's what we're gonna make today. To do that, we're going to use our Dutch chocolate healthy meal shake mix and also the chocolate protein base, and those two do need to go together to make the perfect shake. All the nutrients that you need and the right balances. We also have 2 cups of ice and 3/4 of a cup of water. We also have some sugar-free butterscotch pudding mix and 1 teaspoon of instant coffee grounds, and we have this much of a graham cracker crumbled up in here. And for the toppings, we have some crumbled up Oreo cookies and some chocolate sprinkles and some whipped toppings. So we're gonna mix all this up in our blender. We're gonna put the ice in first, and then the water, and the coffee. I already have it measured out. And the Dutch chocolate shake mix, 2 scoops of that. And 2 scoops of our protein drink mix. And 1 teaspoon of butterscotch pudding. And I know what you're thinking, because we all think it here too, if a little is good, more must be better. And with your health shake here, that's not the case. You want to keep it at 1 level teaspoon. It's going to taste absolutely incredible. So now we've got all that in here. We're gonna blend this up, and to get the right consistency, you guys, it's really all about time in the blender. Okay guys, so now we've got it all blended up. This is about what it should look like, and because we're making a mudslide, and mudslides are messy, we're going to do something a little different than what we normally do. So we're gonna take most of our toppings. I'm gonna take all of the graham crackers, I'm just gonna pour it in there. I'm gonna take my chocolate syrup and my caramel syrup, and I'm just gonna squirt some in on top. Same with the caramel. And a little bit of whipped cream also. And now we're just gonna dump this all in here and make a nice fat mess. Okay, I have a dome top. I'm gonna go grab that and I'll be right back. All right, so now we've got that in there, nice and messy down here. And what I'm gonna do is right in the hole on top, or you could just do a bigger cup if you wanted to, but I'm gonna put some whipped cream in there and just a little bit, like a pinch of chocolate sprinkles on top. And voila.